Hi gardeners, Steven at the Philly Flower Show. I've got Laura from Garden Answers here and we're super excited to talk to you guys. So you guys emailed me or Facebooked me your questions to ask her, so let's get right to it. So Laura, what got you into shooting videos and getting into with the gardening?
Well, I grew up gardening, so that was something that was always a part of me. But what got me into videos was my husband, Aaron. He loved videography, was super interested in it, and he just needed something to film. And he's like, hey Laura, let's just go out in the garden and let me film some of your garden projects. And that's kind of how it started.
Fun, that's awesome. That's kind of like videos that I do for you guys. It's kind of like us, with like my kids. We're out there doing the videos, so it's so much fun, and to give that knowledge to you give to all your customers out there and ours too. So that's awesome. Awesome. So what's your favorite part about gardening? I know mine is I have Barlows and we're super busy all the time, and I get to get out there after a long day's worth of work with my vegetable garden, and kind of the peace and serenity of it. That's my favorite part.
Kind of my favorite part too. I mean, we all do it for that, right? Like we do, I do it too for the end result. You know, I want my home to be pretty. I like to look at pretty things, but I also get this feeling of satisfaction and like I did something worthwhile with my day when I get out there and do something like that, especially when I vegetable garden.
Yeah,
and you can bring some of those things in and cook with them. I mean, there's just nothing like it.
There's nothing like it. Yeah. You're right. The satisfaction when you walk away and you step away like, holy cow, I did that.
Yeah.
It's awesome. Nothing better. Nothing better. So another question is, what's your favorite flower?
Can I even like say that I have a favorite flower?
True, right?
Boy, can I say like I have a bunch of favorites? It changes every
season.
season.
You can do a couple. I agree with you.
Like I love tulips. I love lavender. I love echinacea. I love all the things. I love double flower roses, like the Atlas rose.
Awesome plant and fragrant. Fragrant shrub rose. We're pumped about that.
Yeah, hostas, coast to coast hostas.
There you go. Awesome.
So that's a whole bunch.
There you go. I like it. Mine is this time of year is the primroses, and I love the yellow ones. They smell like fruity petals.
Oh,
so
have you seen the ballerina?
The double one. Awesome. Such a cool one.
Those are beautiful.
They have at the flower show.
To my list.
There we go. We like it. So, and what about houseplants? Houseplants are super popular right now. You know, we like the monsteras and philodendrons. What's your favorite?
Well, I like ferns. Any kind of fern. They don't love me back. Not all of them do. Like
tricky
the
to take care of.
Maidenhairs. We just did a video about how to take care of ferns inside. Because I've killed a lot of them in my trek to having nice ones. Anyway, so my best fern though is the bird's nest fern. It's the most forgiving. Yeah, it's the most forgiving. It doesn't need to be misted all the time, and I don't have to water that consistently, and it still forgives me.
Really? I gotta note that because they're tricky. They do die in the sun. So the other thing, speaking about houseplants and that kind of genre of plants, what about succulents? Any good tips for my gardeners out there? Because we are always, succulents is like a huge category for us. We grow them in our nursery, and now our customers always want to know what's a good tip to take care of succulents.
So the number one thing on keeping succulents nice is to give them proper amount of light. If they don't get enough light, they start to stretch and get gangly. I mean, just like any other plants outside.
Yeah, that's true.
They won't bloom as well. They won't look as full and dense, and it's the same with succulents. And most of them, even like, I don't know, cactus, need a lot more sun. But even the soft succulents, they need a good 4 to 6 hour block of sun in order to get, to be nice and compact. So if you need to get a grow light, you can have them inside your house. I would recommend you do that, or put them in a spot that gets really strong.
Yep, we find that too. Like sun, they need lots of sun, lots and lots of sun, lots of sun. So you're here in the East Coast. I know you're from the Pacific Northwest. Is there any gardens or like botanical gardens that you love to recommend that you go to visit when you have time?
We have never been able to visit a garden.
Oh, you got to find time.
I know.
We have great ones over here.
We did get to tour the Intervale at Garden Supply Company.
Okay.
That was cool to hear the history behind that. I've been recommending. People have been recommending Longwood Gardens.
Awesome place. Another one, Chanticleer. Chanticleer is beautiful. That's another great stuff. So we do have nice ones. You got to come to one of these more.
Got to make more time.
There you go. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to thank Laura from Garden Answers. Be sure you like her Instagram and Facebook and YouTube pages, and of course like ours, and share with all your friends out there. So from the Philadelphia Flower Show, thank you guys so much, and thank you, Laura.
Thank you.